Whether you are creating fancy headings or wrangling large amounts of data, merging cells can be a real time saver. I'm Akash, you're watching Candid.Technology, and in this video we are talking about how to merge cells in Google Sheets. Merging cells on Google Sheets is quite a simple process. In this example, we are going to show you how to merge cells for a heading and how to merge cells for the data. Let's start with the heading. So we'll select all the cells in the first row and then click on the format tab and then hover over merge cells, and you can see various options like merge all, merge vertically and merge horizontally. There's another option to open this menu through keyboard shortcuts, and the keyboard shortcut for that is Alt plus O plus M. The same options are available now. Click on the merge all. As you can see, all the cells have been merged into one, and now I'll just align the heading. Now coming to the data, select these cells, click on the format and then hover over merge cells, and I'll tell you about the merge what will these merge options will do. Merging all will combine all the cells into a single cell. Merging vertically will combine all these cells into a single column, and merge horizontally option will combine all the selected cells into a row. After that, just click on the option you want to choose for the cells, then click on OK. There's one more thing that you should keep in mind, which is when the cells are merged, the data from the top left cells will be kept and data from all other cells will be discarded. And that's how you merge cells on Google Sheets. If this video helped you, give us a like, consider subscribing to our channel, press the bell icon and share your thoughts in the comments below. If you want to know more about tech, visit our website Candid.Technology, follow us on social media, and we'll see you in the next video.